Hi, now I like to share about ORCID, connecting researchers and research. You can see the researcher's profile. In the academic social network, you can find this ResearchGate, Academia, mainly Google Scholar, SlideShare, etc. But the identifier profiles were three. One is ORCID ID and the researcher ID provided by Web of Science people, and the Scopus ID provided by the elsewhere people. Okay, so ORCID is an unique ID. ORCID is an unique ID. So you can search in internet. ORCID you can sign in and you can register it. So to avoid certain data repetitions, to avoid certain data repetitions, you can use this ORCID, because if a author provided a unique ORCID ID to the publisher, so only one time it will be added. So here the problem is, I think they have been added manually once, because it may take some delay, the Google it may take some delay for adding into their profile, or various other reason it has been added. Okay, to avoid this data repetitions, this ORCID will be helpful. Another one thing is to send the article to the right person. So unique ID is for, see, for example, my name is Daniel C. In the Daniel C there are so many number of people were there. Okay, even in my disciplines there are so many people were there. So if this unique ID is there, my published article will be come to my profile. If for example discovering researchers, so just if I search some topic like Daniel, my research work, my institute name and topic, I am able to find my ORCID profile. Okay, and other professors discovering, if you want to know about some other professors ORCID profile, you can put their name and you can search, you can find it. So here I have taken one Professor Sanjay Kumar Panda. He is a professor from NIT Warangal, computer science faculty. His biography he has provided. So this profile has more information. So they provided their, see in the bottom you can find the Scopus author ID, their researcher ID, and their ORCID ID is provided. And in the biography they have mentioned all their awards, whatever, who are where they did their PhD program in IIT Dhanbad. So all this information they have provided, okay, in the biography, and the employment where they are working in NIT Warangal, Telangana, and their educations. Okay, then their united positions or the membership, and the works, which means the research work, their published work, which it may be a book chapter or the journal, and their review. So there have been peer review for various journals, so such information is also added here. And in ORCID there is a privacy option. You can click it whether the ORCID profile has to be shown to everyone, or only for the trusted partners, or only for you alone. That you can uh, check it out. Then in the work there is an option called, you can add the works, to add your articles through various options, like by DY option or search, or you can upload it manually, or you can import the bibtex. So in various option you can add your research works. And results in Scopus, for example, in my name just Daniel C, I have added nearly 652 authors were there. Okay, then few changes I made. This is for another name, uh, like in Samuel, there in the same institute, there were 24 people were there in the same name Samuel, but in the back or front, first name and the last name, they have few changes will be there. Okay, so mainly this to avoid this thing, more, see, in the same name many people will be there, right? So your article will should come to your profile. So if you have an unique ID, automatically your article come to your profile. So that is the main thing. This ORCID, they are helping many researchers, and this is how the website will be there. It will for researchers, for organization, and for other purpose, and you have to sign in it, and you can find all these informations, your biography, education, qualification, as we seen earlier. So these are everything. You can have a print review, even you can print it. So this is how your profile will be, the ORCID ID, and your mainly profile India, what all the details like Scopus ID, your employment, all these details, and some updates or notification. Obviously, some article is added to your profile, ORCID profile, you'll be receiving some notifications. So mainly what I mentioned is all should have a unique ORCID ID as a research community. See, other than this Scopus and researcher ID is for is that the company, which means the Scopus people, they provide a Scopus ID for you when it is a Scopus indexed. See, for Scopus index article, if you are having, and for example, as I have nearly some 19 some Scopus indexed article, which means in that Scopus ID all my articles will be there. Okay, so the Web of Science people, they have a researcher ID, but this ORCID ID is an unique ID. Even journals belongs to Web of Science people, journal belongs to Scopus and other people. So they while you are submitting the articles, they ask your ORCID ID. Okay, so kindly create the ORCID ID and add all the information. Okay, add the information which is available there, starting from employment, your name, your publication, if you are a reviewer, your biography, and your Scopus ID, researcher ID, all these details you kindly add your details. Okay, this is one of the unique identifier. Try to use it much effectively. Thank you.